Chapter 11. Cupid, ek knik. Sy lyk skepties. Dit klink nie soos 'n rockgroep nie. Bongie vat 'n sluk van haar milkshake en trek 'n stuk papier nader. Dis ten minste 'n voorstel. Sy skryf dit neer en kyk afwagtend na ons. Enige ander voorstelle? So, someone says they should call the band Cupid, probably Tian. Or no, someone else, because Tian nods when someone says Cupid, and Zane looks skeptical and says it doesn't sound like a rock band name. So Bongie takes she drinks some of her milkshake, and then she takes a piece of paper and pulls it closer to her. And says, at least, she made the suggestion of Cupid, and says, at least it is a suggestion. Sy skryf dit neer en kyk afwagtend na ons. She writes it down and looks at everyone expectantly. Enige ander voorstelle? Any other suggestions? Zane sit en loer vir Liesel. Liesel sit en roer in gedagte haar koffie en kyk, en ek en Bongie kyk ongemaklik vir mekaar. Liesel sit onverwags haar teelepel neer. Luister, julle? Ek is nog steeds nie seker of ek in die band kan wees nie. So Zane looks at Liesel, while Liesel stirs her tea while she's deep in thought. And Bongie and Tian look at each other because they are feeling very uncomfortable. And Liesel puts down her teaspoon and says she doesn't know if she can still be in the band, like she's still unsure. Zane se gesig val omtrent tot op die vloer. Maar hoekom? Dit gaan nie soveel tyd vat nie. Ons moet net 3 songs skryf vir die kompetisie. Jy kan sê wanneer ons moet oefen en niemand van ons weet tog of ons in die band wil wees nie. Ek kyk verbaas na Bongie. Sy trek haar skouers op. Ek weet ook nog nie of ek in die band wil wees nie. Sy lyk moedeloos. Nou, hoekom het julle dan flippin audisies gedoen? Nie een van ons doen die moeite om hom daaraan te herinner dat Liesel onder protes 'n audisie gedoen het nie. Okay. So Zane is obviously shocked. His mouth is hanging open and he asks her, but why? Like, it's not going to take a lot of your time. We only need to write 3 songs and perform them for the competition. He even tells her, like, she can say when they need to practice. And then Bongie says, but no one knows if they want to be in this band. And Tian looks at Bongie surprised and she just shrugs. And she says, like, she doesn't even know if she wants to be in the band. Then Zane looks at everyone and he's like, why did you do auditions then? And no one does effort or takes the effort to remind him that Liesel was kind of forced to do auditions. It wasn't out of her own free will. Die kompetisie is oor net minder as 2 maande, sê Liesel moedeloos. Ons het nog nie 'n naam nie, ons het nog nie 1 liedjie nie, ons het nog net 1 keer saam gespeel, ons het nêrens om te oefen nie. So the competition is less than 2 months away, says Liesel, and she's looking quite negative. We don't have a name, we don't have a song, we haven't even played together once, and we don't have anywhere to practice. Moenie worry nie, sê Zane met 'n glimlag. Tian het 'n lekker garage. Don't worry, sê Zane. Tian has a nice garage. No way, keer ek. My ma gaan 'n oorval kry. Sy kla genoeg as ons 2 gitaar oefen in die garage. And Tian immediately says there's no way that they are practicing in his garage. His mom is already very frustrated when it's just them 2 practicing on their guitars. Zane kry dit reg om tegelyk verwytend na my en pleitend na Bongie en Liesel te kyk. Bongie sit en speel met een van die pakkies suikers. Sê my, watter soort band gaan ons wees? So Bongie asks them while playing with sugar, what type of band are we going to be? Zane kyk vir my en ek kyk vir sy. Bongie sug, okay. Watter soort musiek gaan ons maak? What type of music are we going to make? Asked Bongie. Because no one answers her first question. Zane sê sy koeldrank moedeloos neer. Wel, musiek man, soort van soos ek weet nie. Ons maak musiek en kyk wat daar uitkom. And Zane says, well, music, like, kind of, like, I don't know, like we'll make music and see what happens. Alright, sê Bongie. Okay, die kompetisie is oor 2 maande. Ek is bereid om 1 maand lang by die band aan te sluit. Sy glimlag spottend. Dis 'n proeftydperk vir 'n band wat nie weet wat sy naam is nie. Watter soort band is hy? Watter soort band hy is of watter soort musiek hy maak nie. Wie is nog bereid om 'n maand lank aan te sluit? So Bongie says, okay, the competition is like 2 months away, but she will give this whole thing a month, and then she will make a final decision. So she'll practice and whatever. Yeah. And then she asks, who else would be willing to do this with her? Just even for a month. Zane steek sy hand enthousiasties op en kyk angstig vir my en Liesel. Ek steek my hand op. Liesel begin onverwags lag. Nou goed, 'n maand. En wat daarna? Okay, so Zane puts up his hand enthusiastically and then looks at Tian and Liesel anxiously. Tian puts up his hand and Liesel just starts to laugh and says, okay, she will give it a month's chance. And then she asks, what happens after the month? Na 'n maand besluit ons of dit gaan werk. Dit klink half of Bongie die hele ding lank voor die tyd uitgewerk het. Dit behoort genoeg tyd te wees om uit te vind hoe erg ons name gaan gat maak. So, Bongie answers, a month should be enough to give themselves a chance to see if this thing is going to work. And it sounds like Bongie has thought about this whole thing even before she came to Milky Lane. And it should give them enough time, she says, to make or to find out if they're going to make a fool out of themselves. Okay, sê Liesel, fair enough. Bongie glimlag in geneme. So nou het ons 'n band, amptelik. Okay, so now we have a band, says Bongie, officially. Niemand sê iets nie. Selfs Zane is vir 'n verandering tjoep stil. Miskien omdat hy te besig is om van oor tot oor te glimlag. Hy tel my rugsak langs my stoel op en haal die inskrywingsvorm uit wat meneer Marx vir my gegee het. Ons korte naam vir die band en ons korte biografie van elkeen van die lede. Die inskrywing sluit al volgende week. So no one says anything. Even Zane is quiet for a moment. And it's because he's smiling. Obviously he's very excited because he wants to spend time with Liesel. Tian picks up his bag next to the chair. And then he takes out the information pamphlet that they need to send through with all the details confirming that they want to take part in the competition. So they need a name for the band and a short biography of each of the band members. And they need to do this by next week. En ons kort 3 songs ook, sê Liesel bekommerd. Ek kyk die vorm deur. Nee, hier staan ons hoef nie voor die tyd ons songs se name in te vul nie. Solank ons net die band Cupid noem nie, sê sy. So Liesel says, but they also need 3 songs. And then Tian says, but it doesn't stand on the form, so they can relax. They don't need to fill anything in about 3 songs. And Zane says, okay, as long as we don't call the band Cupid. Bongie trek weer op papier nader. Enige ander voorstelle? Zane kyk om hom rond vir inspirasie. Dit kan nie so moeilik wees nie. Milky Lane, milkshake, waitress, vetkool, ou tannie met 'n poodle. So Bongie brings her notes closer to her and then she asks them again, do you have any suggestions for a name? Zane looks around him for inspiration and he says it can't be this difficult. Milky Lane, milkshake, waitress, oil, like an oil dot on your, a vetkool is like an oil mark, old lady with a poodle, obviously things that he's seeing around him. Stadiger, proes Bongie, wat probeer om alles neer te skryf. Slow down, says Bongie, while she tries to write down everything. Onthou, dit moet 'n Afrikaans naam wees, herinner Liesel. Ons dis toch 'n Afrikaans band competition. So Liesel reminds them it needs to be an Afrikaans name because it's an Afrikaans competition. Ek trek 'n gesig. As die band se naam Vetkool is, bedank ek. If we are going to call ourselves oil mark, then I am out of the band. Jy kan nie, sê Bongie saaklik. Jy mag eers na 'n maand bedank. You can't quit. You've said you are committed to a month, so you can only quit after a month. Wel, dis my voorstelle, sê Zane kan maar omgekrap. Well, those are my suggestions, sê Zane, frustrated. Bongie kyk na Liesel. Wel, dis tog 'n rockgroep, so miskien moet ons gaan vir iets alternatief. Soos Liesel frons. Ek weet nie, vlakvark, brommer. Cool, sê Zane. So Liesel makes a suggestion and says they are a rock group, so maybe something alternative. And then Bongie asks her like what? And she says maybe warthog or brommer. Brommer is like a big mosquito.